Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 10, 2024. 4-star Sudoku. Seventh row and ninth row, column HVO1. So one can't come these cells. Then one is confirmed here. Fourth grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 4 numbers are remaining. 5, 8, 7 and 2. 6th grade and 4th row. We have 2, 5 and 8. The 3 number can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. 6th grade, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. Then it will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column F and 4th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D, column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 5th grade and 6th row, we have pair numbers. That also we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 5th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 7th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 8, 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 1st row and 3rd row, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 1st row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 1st row and 2nd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E we get 7, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E and first row we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column I, first row and second row we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column A, we have 7, and 7th row and 8 also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. In second row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then first row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 8. 8th row we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column A and 8th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 4 also here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. That is 6 and 8. 4th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. First grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then first grade, third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade and sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Ninth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 8th grade and column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Or 9th row, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column A, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. 7th grade, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th grade. And column H, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 1st grade and 3rd row, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column A and 7th grade and 8th row, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.